The more, the merrier, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful and sometimes puzzling world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very popular phrase, the more, the merrier. Whether you've heard it at parties or seen it in invitations, this phrase is all about inclusivity and fun. Let's unpack its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The more, the merrier, is a phrase that celebrates inclusivity and joy in numbers. It suggests that a situation or event becomes more enjoyable when more people are involved. Think of it as an open invitation to include as many participants as possible because their presence will only enhance the enjoyment or success of an event. This phrase has a long history, dating back centuries. It's believed to have roots in early English culture, where community and shared experiences were valued. Over time, the more, the merrier, has been adopted worldwide, maintaining its warm, welcoming connotation. It embodies the idea that happiness and good times multiply with more company. Incorporating the more, the merrier into your language is simple and can add a friendly, inviting tone to your conversations. Here are a few examples. When organizing a party and someone asks if they can bring friends, of course, the more, the merrier. In a work context, when brainstorming ideas and encouraging wide participation, let's all share our thoughts, the more, the merrier. While planning a community event and looking for volunteers, we need as much help as we can get. The more, the merrier. This phrase also holds a cultural significance in many English-speaking countries, symbolizing a spirit of community and openness. It reflects a mindset that values collective joy and the idea that sharing experiences with others enriches our lives. The more, the merrier, is more than just a phrase. It's a celebration of togetherness, inclusivity, and the joy of shared experiences. We hope this exploration helps you understand its meaning and encourages you to use it to make your events and conversations more welcoming. Remember, in the world of English expressions, the more phrases you know, the merrier your language learning journey will be. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.